Mga kapatid, sabi ng ating Panginoon sa ating Ebanghelyo, ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Kaya, be true and be faithful to your promise.
When the music ends, when the lights go dim, when there's no one else around, I will still be here. When the colors fade, the darkness breaks the light, when hope is out of sight, love will be our guide. 'Cause love is strong, love is never wrong, love is where we belong.
Mark King, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Eliza na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Papa, Father.
I'll make this clear, I will always be here. I love you, I do, I do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you, I do, I do, I do. Love will be our song. Let this love be known. God's finest work of art. Love will shine in the dark. If this feels colder, we can start all over and over and over again. I will make this clear, I will always be here.
Eliza, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark King na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
I love you, I do, I do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you, I do, I do. If you feel lost, let me remind you, my love shines, and I will always find you. Have no fear, love is here, love is true, love is me, love is you.
Again, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan si Mr. at Mrs. Mark King and Eliza Jing Ho. Congratulations. Mark King, you may now kiss your bride.
So smile, you have me for life.